Dudes with dreads be like.
I don't get my hair done. I don't like that pretty boy shit, man.
They dreads, you don't supposed to get them done. They supposed to look rough. My blood clot rasta man. Me put nothing on my hair but water.
What I look like, Chris Brown? Ain't no pretty dude.
My baby mama said I gotta come in here and get my hair done and stank.
I don't like getting my hair retwisted. That junk hurt.
I like when I get a lot of new growth, man. It make me look good. I like that look. I like that rugged look. It go with my fashion.
I ain't never seen Kodak with a retwist.
Man, I don't need no retwist. All I need is a tape, a little line up, man. I'm good. Man, who need a retwist, man? I'm that dude. I'm that man. I look good. You sleep. Boy, I'm pressure. I'm pressure. Any female want me like this, boy, I'm pressure. Men and boys get on my nerves. Why do y'all think this is cute? Y'all be walking around smelling like PE, Black and Miles, the strip club, marijuana, a little league football team, your daddy work boot, onions from Subway, a pillowcase, booty, a crossing guard, chlorine.